look at the picture in front of you. That's KMAN 6. And everybody knows it by now. To be honest, I heard it and I didn't even look at the news clippings. I look at anything because I already know what's going on, and everything I said about this young man, that's what's going on. We could start with that I told this young man. Now look at that picture right there. It says KMAN frustrated. This is a video that I did recently. KMAN frustrated, wondering how he got to such a crazy place. And it also said KMAN being hunted after a second raid. Count your loss and leave Trinidad. Now let me repeat that one more time. Count your loss and leave Trinidad, and that's what I told this young man. And for some reason it seems like him and people in his camp didn't take me serious. Now you have Skeng and you have KMAN 6. And you know what's the crazy thing about these two young men? They are beefing because of, I guess, gang ties or the crew that they roll with. But really and truly, they have so much in common that it doesn't make sense. If these two young men are teamed up and deal with the music business like how it's supposed to be dealt with, they would have achieved a lot of things. Skeng is only 22 and KMAN is the same age. Both of them have a following. Both of them can DJ and sing or whatever, and both of them is similar in a lot of ways. You see what I'm saying? Now the only difference with Skeng ride with the Ratty crew, and that's a spin-off of the Clansman. The difference with Skeng them, I think Skeng them is about their money and performing, having a good time, fuck some pussy, whatever. You know his baby mother is Nunupus' daughter. You understand? So Skeng them thing is a little bit different. Now with KMAN, he hangs out with the 6. He came out back then with Waka Dan, who the man them slaughter like a dog to blow out. And his song and music has been gaining momentum. The big difference is that the 6 gang, they are actually literally in a real live world battle war, full-fledged gang war, and KMAN 6 is a part of that crew. Let's examine KMAN 6 situation in terms of him get arrested. Alright, boom. I told you guys from day one that there is an informant or somebody around these guys they're giving information to the police and they're giving information to the ops. Now I'm gonna explain to you guys why I'm right. Notice everywhere KMAN 6 go, the man them try pick him off. You understand? And look at how 6 Dan end up. But beyond that, me hear from good source. So listen, you have a member of the crew who are kill off him friend them and killing off these guys and informing on them. And that just bolster my theory. Now, I did look at a clipping, because earlier in the video I said I didn't, but after that a friend of mine from Trinidad sent me something, and KMAN 6 boy, you should have leave, because the police has charged him underneath the new gang law which came out in 2021. They have been watching all his online interaction and they're using that to put their case together along with evidence or information from the informants. Under the new gang law, if you hang out or you support gang members, you are charged. I mean, it's the law, it's on the books, and if the police have the evidence to say, listen, this man is hanging out with this gang and doing these things because of, say, online documentation, you're going to jail because you broke the law. How does it look for KMAN 6? It's hard to say, but what I do know is it's a dent on the Trinidad thing. It's real bad when it comes to the reggae music. What really looks terrible to me, if 6 Dan and KMAN 6 is charged, that mean Plumpy Boss and Meds Boss and Castell from the 7 needs to be charged too. I want to know what is going on, because according to the police, from what I read, they're saying that they did online investigation and they used that to determine that KMAN 6 is repping the 6. So if you look at it, they're not beefing with themselves, they're beefing with the 7. So right away we're saying what's going on. So I will definitely be talking about the gang unit, and I know the name of the superintendent who runs that unit, and I'm gonna be calling out this gang unit and asking them what the hell is going on down there in Trinidad, because it is impossible for the 6 them to get picked up and Prezi and the 7 them is on the other side of town. Now it's really starting to fucking bother me. Okay, the police them, I am gonna talk about these GIU, the Gang Investigation Unit as they're called in Trinidad, and I am gonna light the fire underneath the Gang Investigation Unit, because listen, there is no way them can pick up KMAN 6 and don't pick up Plumpy Boss them. And listen, I'm gonna be talking about that in a couple of videos coming out. But as for KMAN 6, they find the bullet in his house. Him, his girlfriend and another girl. They must have been having a threesome now, let me stop. But they find the bullet in his house. The two girls then get arrested, 10 grand bail. And he is charged with gang affiliation among gang supporting, and he's also charged for the bullet, $40,000 bail. I just think KMAN 6 needs to leave Trinidad. They don't look at him as a flight risk and get an easy bail, but I would have take that and cut. The situation in all the surrounding islands, they don't want Trinidad, they don't want KMAN 6. And a lot of people are saying, why? Well, I mean, people are watching the news, people are listening to Countryman, and people are seeing what's going on. Now, in the Trinidad society, it used to be me as the only vlogger. Now you have tons of other vloggers doing their thing, and I welcome them. But just know, Countryman always have the live and the inside scoop on what's going on. You see what I'm saying? Yo, KMAN 6, may I tell you again, when you get out of jail, give me a call, and that's where I'm gonna leave it. KMAN 6, give Countryman a call. Please, listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click all on the